Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to add fractions and we'll be solving these examples in the video. In these examples we have addition of mixed fractions as well as the improper fractions. So let us learn and start with our first question, which is 9/4 plus 6/4. This is a mixed fraction. So our first step will be to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the denominator and add the numerator to it. So this will be 9 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 6 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. So that's 36 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 1 divided by 4. 36 plus 1 is 37. So that's 37 upon 4 plus 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 upon 4. We see that both the fractions have the same denominator of 4. So these are like fractions. We can add the numerators with a single denominator. So that's 37 plus 25 divided by 4, which equals 7 plus 5 equals 12. 1 carried over. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 62 upon 4. Here we see that 62 and 4 both have a common factor of 2. So we can reduce this fraction by cancelling it by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So our final answer will be 31 upon 2. Or if we want to write it in terms of mixed fraction, we divide it by 2. So 31 divided by 2 will be 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder. Then we drop down 1, 2 times 5 is 10. And 1 is remainder. So in our mixed fraction, this will be 15 whole 1 upon 2. This is our final answer for the first fraction. Now let's solve the second example. Our second example is 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 11. Here we have two fractions with different or unlike denominators. So first of all, we'll find the LCM of denominators. LCM is the least common multiple. Also call it as the finding the common denominator or LCD. So LCM of 3 and 11. And here we see that both the numbers 3 and 11 do not have any common factor in between the two numbers. So the LCM will be the product of the numbers. So LCM will be 3 times 11, which is 33. Now we'll make the denominator of these two fractions equal to 33. To make 3 into 33, we have to multiply it by 11. And as we are multiplying the denominator by 11, we have to multiply the numerator 2 by 11 so that the value of the fraction does not change. The same we'll do with the second one. Here the denominator is 11. So to make 11 equal to 33, we have to multiply it by 3. And as we are multiplying 11 by 3, we have denominator by 3, we have to multiply numerator 2 by 3. So that's 2 times 11, which is 22 divided by 33 plus 5 times 3 is 15 divided by 33. Now we have two fractions with the same denominator. So we can make the denominator equal to 33 and add the two numerators. So 22 plus 15 divided by 33, which equals plus 5 is 7 and 1 plus 2 is 3. 37 upon 33. So our final answer will be 37 upon 33. We are going to box the answer and we'll move to the next example, which is the third example where we are adding three mixed fractions. 5 2/3 plus 4 1/2 plus 3 1/4. So first step in adding these fractions is to convert all these mixed fractions into improper fractions. To do so, we'll multiply the whole number with the denominator of the fraction and we'll add numerator to it, and denominator remains the same. The same we'll do with all the fractions. This will be 4 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2, and the last one will be 3 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Now 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 divided by 4. Fractions will be 17 upon 3 plus 9 upon 2 plus 13 upon 4. And we see that all the fractions have different denominators. For adding the fractions, we need to first find the common denominator or the LCM of the three denominators. So we'll find the LCM of 3, 2 and 4. Let's find the LCM on the right hand side here. So that's 2, 3 and 4. We'll divide these numbers by prime numbers. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 is a prime number. We'll write it as is. 2 times 2 is 4. Again, we'll divide it by 2. 3 will be as is. 2 times 1 is 2. Now 3 is only divisible by 3. So that's 3 times 1. So the LCM will be the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side. So 2 times 3, which equals 12. So LCM equals 12. We'll make the denominators of all these fractions equal to 12. So the first fraction is 17 upon 3. To make 3 equal to 12, we'll multiply it by 4. So as we are multiplying the denominator by 4, we have to multiply the numerator 2 by 4. So that will be 17 times 4. Is 9 upon 2, and to make 2 equal to 12 we are multiplying it by 6, so we have to multiply numerator 2 by 6. Next one is 13 upon 4, and to make 4 equal to 12 we have to multiply it by 3, so we'll multiply the numerator 13 by 3. 17 times 4 is 68. 68 upon 12 plus 9 times 6 is 54. 54 upon 12 plus 13 times 3 is 39. 39 upon 12. Now we have the denominators of all the fractions equal to 12. We can add the numerators directly with a single denominator. So denominator will be 12 and the numerators will be 68 plus 54 plus 39. So let's add the three numbers, 68 plus 54 plus 39. So that's 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. So 2 will be carried over. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So that's 161. So 161 divided by 12. Our fraction comes out to be 161 upon 12. This is an improper fraction. We can even write it in mixed form and divide the two numbers. So 161 divided by 12 will be 12 times 1 is 12. 4 is remainder. Then we'll drop down 1. 12 times 3 is 36. And 11 minus 6 is 5. This is 0. So the mixed fraction comes out to be 13 whole 5 upon 12. Our final answer will be 161 upon 12, or in mixed fraction it is 13 whole 5 upon 12. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer, and now we'll move to our next example, which is example number 4. 18 upon 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 2. Here we have 3 improper fractions with the denominators as 7, 3 and 2. So first step will be to find the LCM of the denominators 7, 3 and 2. And here we see that 7, 3 and 2 do not have any common factor. So LCM will be the multiplication or the product of 7, 3 and 2, which is 7 times 3 times 2. So the denominator is 42. Let's make the denominator equal to 42. So this is 7 times 6 is 42. To make 7 equals to 42, we have to multiply it by 6. So we'll multiply the numerator 2 by 6. To make 3 equal to 42, we have to multiply it by 14. So we'll multiply numerator 2 by 14. And here to make 2 equal to 42, we have to multiply it by 21. So we'll multiply numerator 2 by 21. So now our 3 fractions will be 18 times 6, which is 108, divided by 7 times 6 is 42, plus 14 times 1 is 14 divided by 42, plus 21 times 1 is 21 divided by 42. So all the fractions have the same denominator of 42. We can add the numerators directly. So that's 108 plus 14 plus 21 divided by 42, which equals 14 plus 21 is 35, and 108 plus 35 is 143. So final answer will be 143 divided by 42. So this is our final answer. Let's convert it into mixed fraction and write the answer in mixed fraction too. So dividing 143 by 42. This is 42 times 3 will be 126. 13 minus 6 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. And this is 0. So 17 will be our remainder. The mixed fraction will be 3 whole 17 upon 42. So final answer is 143 divided by 42, or 3 whole 17 upon 42. So this is our final answer. We are going to box the answer, and this is how we solve fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.